Hello friends, welcome to Operations Point. Today in this video we will be discussing about project execution plan. Right now this is the project execution plan. This is the part of like when we have to implement the project. Before implementation of the project we need to make certain documents, and this document is one of those documents. Now what this document says, now projects they can be like an endless road if you don't have a great execution plan. ठीक है, अब आप कोई प्रोजेक्ट शुरू करना चाहते हो, उस प्रोजेक्ट को मतलब इम्प्लीमेंट करना चाहते हो, लेकिन आपके पास कोई स्ट्रैटेजी नहीं है कि वो प्रोजेक्ट आप कैसे इम्प्लीमेंट करोगे, फाइन कौन क्या काम करेगा, कितना रिसोर्स है, ये सब अगर आप प्लान नहीं करोगे एग्जीक्यूशन के लिए, तो it will be like walking on an empty road without any kind of the milestones. Now you people must be aware about this thing that these days whenever we travel on the way to our journey, there in the on the way there are lot of milestones, right? These milestones they help us to know that how much distance we have covered or how far the destination is yet. Fine, so this gives a kind of a motivation to us that this much distance we have covered and this much is still left. So same is the case with the projects also, कि जब हम कोई प्रोजेक्ट को इम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं, राइट, तो उस प्रोजेक्ट को हमें मेजर करना पड़ता है कि हमने कितना प्रोजेक्ट मतलब कितने टारगेट्स प्रोजेक्ट में अचीव कर लिए हैं और कितना मतलब हमारा परसेंटेज जो है वो स्टिल लेफ्ट है. Now it is much more than a chart showing time scales. It is a document describing how, when and by whom a specific target or set of targets is to be achieved. These targets will include projects, products, time scales, cost, quality and benefits. ठीक है, तो ये जो प्रोजेक्ट है हम इसमें बात करते हैं प्रोडक्ट्स की कि कौन से प्रोडक्ट्स बनेंगे, इनकी टाइमलाइंस क्या होंगी, हर चीज़ की कॉस्ट क्या होगी, क्वालिटी कितना मेंटेन करना है और बेनिफिट्स क्या होंगे. इट विल डू दिस बाय शोइंग मेजर प्रोडक्ट्स, एक्टिविटीज़ एंड रिसोर्सेज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर द प्रोजेक्ट. Now this is the governing document that establishes the means to execute, monitor and control the projects. इस प्लान की हेल्प से हम एग्जीक्यूशन कर सकते हैं कि हमें क्या करना है, what step is the next step, और इससे हम ये भी मॉनिटर कर सकते हैं कि वॉट एवर वी आर डूइंग और वॉट एवर आर टीम मेम्बर्स आर दे डूइंग इट इन द राइट डायरेक्शन और नॉट. The plan it serves as the main communication vehicle to ensure that everyone is aware and knowledgeable of project objectives and how they will be accomplished. It's a kind of a document जो हर टीम मेंबर को पास ऑन किया जाता है so that उनको पता हो कि हमें क्या क्या objectives अचीव करने हैं. Now what are the major elements of project execution plan? The first one is the scope definition, goal statements, quality and technical specifications, resource allocation, project scheduling, organizational considerations. These are the 6 elements of project execution plan. The first is the scope. We need to define the scope of the project. अब project का let's suppose अगर objective है, we want to upgrade the information technology infrastructure in the organization. तो ये प्रोजेक्ट है. अब इसमें स्कोप क्या होगा कि अगर हमें इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी का इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर अपडेट करना है तो उसमें हम क्या क्या इंक्लूड करेंगे. स्कोप क्या होगा, जैसे कि वी विल बी प्रोवाइडिंग अ न्यू कंप्यूटर ऑन एवरी डेस्क विद ऑल द अप्रोप्रिएट सॉफ्टवेयर इंस्टॉल्ड एंड रेडी टू ऑपरेट एंड ईच कंप्यूटर लिंक्ड थ्रू अ नेटवर्क. ठीक है, तो दिस विल बी द स्कोप. Now statement of goals, this will list out what are the project requirements such as deliverables, project objectives क्या होंगे, milestones क्या होंगे और इसका life cycle कैसा होगा. It will also explain why the project is carried out, the purpose served by the project and what will be the expected benefits from the project. Now the next thing they will be like making it clear is what will be the challenges the project may face in the future, what will be the risk of the projects, what will be the cost and how the project do we have any plan to to control those risks. Then quality and technical specifications. While the project scope and statement of goals they make the project output clear, एक important element है quality और technical specifications. क्वालिटी हमें स्पेसिफाई करनी पड़ेगी कि वो प्रोजेक्ट के जो भी डिलीवरेबल्स होंगे, प्रोडक्ट्स होंगे, उनकी क्वालिटी कैसी होगी, बेंचमार्क क्या है एंड व्हाट विल बी द टेक्निकल एक्सपर्टीज़ विच इज़ रिक्वायर्ड, टेक्नोलॉजी कौन सी चाहिए, वो सब हमें स्पेसिफाई करना पड़ेगा. Now, clear and precise definition for concept and terms. Measurable description, we need to describe it in the measurable terms. जैसे कि हम कहते हैं लेटेस्ट कंप्यूटर्स अगर हम इंस्टॉल करेंगे तो दिस इज़ नॉट मेजरेबल समथिंग. अब लेटेस्ट कंप्यूटर्स क्या डेफिनेशन क्या है उसकी, प्रॉबेबली इट विल बी अ 16 GB रैम और उसका कोर प्रोसेसर की कुछ तुम बात कर रहे हो, तो वो सब उस वे में होना चाहिए. Attainable standards, for instance, upgrade all the computers in the office to dual core processors and 16 GB memory within 2 weeks. It is an attainable goal. But upgrade all the computers to dual core and 16 GB memory overnight to ensure this is not attainable. Within 2 weeks, every upgradation is possible. But if you are saying overnight target should be achieved, this is not achievable, right? So we should set the targets which can be attained by the employees or by the team members. Now time bound होना चाहिए. Upgrade the computers soon. This is something which is not making us clear कि कब होगा. Soon का मतलब क्या है, किसी के लिए 1 day होगा, 2 days होंगे, कितना टाइम है. अगर if we are saying upgrade the computers within 2 weeks, so this is a precise definition. The level of quality desired in the project usually depends upon the project budget, which is usually determined by the customer. Obviously, more the customer is willing to pay, the more quality we can assure to the customers. Then allocation of resources. Now allocation of resources is to achieve the stated goals and quality standards. Whatever resources are required, we need to collect those resources. Those resources, they can be the staff, the people, team members, the skill sets, probably the technology if you require to achieve those goals, money to buy equipment, and time considerations. Next is project scheduling. Now project scheduling is, this is the example of the Gantt charts. Gantt charts, this helps you to understand what is the timeline of each activity, that when this activity will start and how long this activity is going to take, and is there any other activity which we can start along with this in parallel, right? So all these will be shown to the team members with the help of the diagram. The diagram should be easily understandable and readable. Now the best approach is, what we do is we divide the project into small activities, and then what we define the time period of all these activities, that this particular activity will take how long. And for scheduling the projects, we have Gantt charts, and we have CPM and PERT method also. This probably you must be doing in your MBA also as an operation research subject or management science, or in the project management also we have this technique CPM and PERT, right? These methods are used to understand the scheduling, or to understand how long the project is going to take, or what will be the probability of completion of the project within the given time frame. Next is the organizational considerations. Details of the project manager and other key personnel responsible for different aspects of the project. Now whatever the work is required, we need to specify those in the front of project manager and other persons who are responsible for the same. Decision making authority for specific components of the project. Now reporting relationship should be specified कि team members ने किसको report करना है. General approach of undertaking the project, whether the project should have a dedicated team or it should be a matrix type of organizational structure, क्या होना चाहिए. मेथड ऑफ कोऑर्डिनेशन एंड रिपोर्टिंग कैसे होगी, एक दूसरे से कम्युनिकेशन कैसे होगा, और प्रोजेक्ट को हम मॉनिटर कैसे करेंगे, और जो भी प्रोजेक्ट का स्टेटस होगा वो अपडेट्स हम कैसे एक दूसरे को पास ऑन करेंगे. सो दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट प्रोजेक्ट एग्जीक्यूशन प्लान. Fine, if you like the video, do share this video, subscribe to the channel Operations Point for more videos. Thank you.